Hey, what's up, everybody? Just down here heading to London to the Rolly offices at the moment. And it's cold at the moment. As you can see, I'm a little bit bundled up. And so things have been really busy lately, but I just thought I'd do a really quick video just to give you an update while I'm stuck here in traffic and just talk about a few things that are happening. So first thing I wanted to tell you is about a friend of mine who has an amazing synth that's come out recently on the App Store. So this is from the Audio Kit crew and my boy Matt Fetcher, and the synth is called D1. It's based on late 80s and early 90s synths like the D50 and the M1, and it's a really amazing synth, and I think it's number 2 at the moment on of all paid apps on the on the Mac App Store. So go check it out if you're into synths. I would highly recommend it. And I helped the beta test it. And it's really cool. So go check out my boy Matt's synth. I'll put it in the link below. So another thing that's been happening is that about a week ago, just got back from New York, went and did this awesome event with the crew at Intel and Thud Rumble. Thud Rumble is Qbert and Yoga Frog's DJ culture company, and so we did a collaboration with them. I say we, meaning myself and Matthew Garcia, who's a developer in Switzerland that I'm working with for Scratch Champion, which is the app that we're working on at the moment. And it was really super cool. So we were in New York, and they had these so we had 2 parts that we were able to showcase for the for the show. So we had they set up 12 booths, 6 on each side, with these big plasma screens, and once I get the pictures I'll share them out. And we were able to install the Scratch Champion on the on the computers there, on the 12 setups for people to check out. So people that have never touched a turntable or never tried scratching are able to walk up, try the app out. So it was just something to give them a little, just kind of warm up on to a warm-up lesson for scratching and just the very beginnings of how to start making a turntable scratch. And that was really cool to see. And then we also had a part in the AI demonstration, which was showcased by Qbert on stage. That was really amazing, and that was a collaboration with the team from Intel. So big shout out to Adele Lynn and Matt, who also contributed to that project. And that was a showcase where Qbert would do some scratching, and then a neural network would respond to the scratches with its own turntable scratches. And so you could do a call and response with an AI neural network. And so that's a big step in the turntablism world. So yeah, the show went really well. The Roots performed as well. They had DJ A-Track. A-Track used to DJ for Kanye West. He's won several world championships. Also had Z-Trip, who is a super amazing DJ, has toured with LL Cool J and done loads of stuff, and he's a pioneer in the DJing scene. And Sway was there. It was just a really surreal event just to be a part of that, and to see the app just being tested by people and seeing people smiling, testing it out was just really nice to see. So so New York was a lot of fun, and hopefully we'll be doing some more with that in the future. So what else is happening? So the Audio Developer Conference. So as I've said previously, so I have this consulting role with Rolly at the moment, where I'm helping to put together the Audio Developer Conference, which is the biggest conference where people are able to, audio developers of all skill levels are able to gather and network, discuss best practices. And we have a lot of companies that are sponsoring it, like Apple, Steinberg, Arturia, Microsoft, Ableton are doing some stuff. Loads of companies are coming out and representing. and it's a place for developers of all skill levels. I went there last year as a student myself, and I learned a lot. It was my first time being around professional developers, and if you're still considering coming out to the conference, which is November 19th to the 21st, I would encourage you to check it out. It costs a little bit of money, but I think it's well worth it if you're looking to get into this industry and develop plugins, develop audio applications, or you're interested in audio programming. It's definitely a good place to network. If you're looking for a job, it's a very good place because there are loads of companies that are coming out just to do recruiting. We have a couple competitions as well that we put in place that we're going to be closing out this week. So there are only a couple more days to apply for these competitions and for these scholarships. I'm just going to tell you about those briefly as well. So the first one is win a free trip to the Audio Developer Conference. So we are giving away a free ticket as well as a trip to the Audio Developer Conference here in London, November 19th to the 21st. And all you have to do is just make a tweet. So what you could do is you could go to Juice, so juice.com/ADC. We have the details of the competition there under the tab that says win a free ticket. One more key thing that I wanted to talk about that I think more people should definitely apply for is this initiative that's been sponsored by Ableton, Spitfire Audio, and Google. It's called the Diversity Scholarship. So as some of you, or hopefully many of you know, there is an issue that's happening within the audio tech industry where there are a lot of underrepresented groups within the industry, such as LGBT, women, and so on, minorities. And what we've done is we've teamed up with these companies, Spitfire, Google, and Ableton, and they've actually sponsored tickets. So what you can do is you can actually apply for a scholarship. If you get a scholarship, then you basically get a ticket to get into the Audio Developer Conference free. And all you have to do is just fill out some information, just talk about your particular situation, why you feel that you deserve to be accepted for the ADC scholarship. I think we're giving away something like 11 tickets. So it's an opportunity, like I said, to come out. And what we want to do there is we want to increase the diversity within the tech industry, and it's something that I feel very strongly about. And so I would like to see more people apply for this. So we've had a bunch of applicants, but I'd really like to see some more people apply and to come out to the conference. And I think that's about it. So the tutorials have been a little bit short at the moment. I have another tutorial from Dan Trempty on web audio. He's doing some web audio stuff at the moment, and so in Tone.js, and so he's going to have another one coming up this week, and I'm going to get on some more Juice tutorials as well over the next couple weeks. Things are a little bit tight at the moment because I've got the Audio Developer Conference coming up here within the next 3 weeks, so that's been pulling a lot of time from me at the moment, but I'm still keeping on everything. If you have any questions, we have a lot of students at the moment because school's back in. A lot of students are joining our Discord chat group. Come if you're having problems with your school project, we'd love to help. We're not going to do a school project for you, but we will. But there are people that can help you get on your feet. Join the chat group. Come and connect with us, and we love to hear about your projects and about the things that you're working on. And with that, I'm going to sign off, and I will see you soon.